Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, I'm back. Today on the chopping block, we're going to be making you guys, that's right, sweet and sour. We're making some baked, spicy, sweet and sour chicken wings. Alright, and these are the ingredients. You're going to need some sweet and sour right here, and you're going to need some Sazon, 2 packages of those. You'll need some black pepper. You're going to need some Old Bay seasoning, some garlic, some cayenne pepper, and right here I got some Mrs. Dash original blend. Alright, so let's go ahead and get right into it. We're going to go ahead and go with the Sazon first. I'm going to lightly sprinkle this on there. I got some garlic. I'm going to sprinkle some of that in there. I'm using like garlic is probably be like a tablespoon for both sides. Not a tablespoon for both, but a tablespoon in all. So half a teaspoon, well, teaspoon for each side, I should say that. 2 teaspoons is a tablespoon, right? Alright. I want to go ahead and put a little of this cayenne pepper on it. So we try to do a little teaspoon of that. We're going to use a half a teaspoon per side. Alright. And I got some black pepper here. Half a teaspoon per side. Alright. And we'll go with this Old Bay. Like a half teaspoon per side. Alright. Then we come with this Mrs. Dash. Probably a tablespoon. Alright, and then we're just going to repeat this steps. Just going to flip these over and repeat the same steps. I'm going to cook this at 400 degrees too. Not 400, 375 for roughly about 45 minutes in the oven. Okay, Sazon. garlic. Cayenne pepper. Black pepper. Old Bay. All right, then a Mrs. Dash. Okay guys, I am done. We're gonna go ahead and put this in the oven. That's how yours should be looking. Somewhat like that. And we're gonna cook this for 45 minutes. And I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. The chicken is done. We're just gonna open up this. And we're just gonna mix it up like we do buffalo wing sauce. Alright. This stuff is thick too. That's about half of it right there. So we just toss it around just like this. Or you can take some tongs or whatever, move it around in there. It smells delicious though. Alright, and that's about it. I'll go ahead and set this up on my plate here, and I'll show you how it looks when it get done in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Here's the bake. See if you guys can see that. Baked, spicy, sweet and sour chicken wings. That's right. Those how those look. Okay. Alright, here's my plate. I just fixed my plate. I got some rice on there with some broccoli and the chicken wing. I like flats, so that's why I got mine separate. And I put a little sweet and sour on the rice too. So yes, that's how that looks. Okay guys, go ahead and wrap this up. So guys, that's right. Please give me a like, a share, and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit that bell. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching. See you guys next time. And I'm out.